So you've been asked to integrate this complicated function. So you know it's complex. You can see an inner function pretty obviously. And also you can see the derivative of the inner function showing up. If the inner function is x squared plus 2, its derivative will be 2x. Notice x is already there, so that's pretty close and could cancel out. So that's how we know to set up u substitution. U is x squared plus 1. Du dx is 2x, and so when we solve for dx, we have du over 2x. As I rewrite then, I will plug in u for x squared plus 2. And I will replace dx with du over 2x, and now the x in the numerator and the x in the denominator will cancel. Notice I still have a negative and a 2, so I can rewrite my integral as negative 1/2 u cubed. Now I'll apply the power rule, add 1 to 3 to get 4 and divide by 4. And now I'm looking at negative 1/8 u to the 4th. At this point I'll plug u back in, which is x squared plus 2, not 1. So now I'll evaluate. There were some errors in the key. I have negative 1/8 times whatever f of b minus f of a is. And f of b is this whatever x is squared plus 2 all to the 4th minus my lower limit of x squared plus 2 all to the 4th. I do it this way so that my negative 1/8 happens at the very end. My upper limit is 1. My lower limit is 0. So I'm looking at negative 1/8 times 1 squared is 1 plus 2 is 3 to the 4th minus 0 squared is 0 plus 2 is now 2 to the 4th. So we're really looking at negative 1/8 of 81 minus 16. Well, that turns out to be negative 1/8 times 65 for a final answer of negative 65 over 8.